Everyone, welcome to the class. Now this video gonna be a mix of mk, that is make directory, and a cp, that is copy command. Alright, so in this video we're gonna first make a folder and then we'll copy some files inside that folder. Follow the procedure as shown in the video step by step. Now currently my pwd is in the Debian folder. So first I'll make a directory named as ABC. Now inside ABC I'll make 3 text files, that is 1.txt, 2.txt and 3.txt. This is how you can make multiple text files. Just write touch and the text file name. And now inside this ABC folder I'll make a directory, a folder named as inside ABC. You can distinguish between the file and the folder. The files are in plain white color and the folders are like dark blue. Alright, so now I want to copy 1.txt inside the inside ABC folder. Currently if I just pwd, my current working directory is ABC. Yeah. So now first I'll change the directory to inside ABC. Now I'll type cd space dot dot and come out from inside directory inside ABC to simple ABC directory. Yeah. Now I want to copy 1.txt to inside the ABC. Okay, so write the command cp, then the file name 1.txt and the file you want to copy inside, the folder you want to copy inside. So cp 1.txt and inside ABC. If you ls, you can see that the file is still there because we have used the cp command. Now if we cd and type inside ABC and if we ls, we can see 1.txt is inside